Welcome to Everyday with the Big Guy. My name is Tim. Day recording. It's Tuesday, March 10th, 2026. And today I'm going to take my car in at Les Schwab. Have them check the brakes and tires and make sure everything good for our road trip coming up here soon. And then also, after my kids are out of school, we're going to try to learn about Yakima. There's a museum here I've never been to. It'll be fun to check it out, the Yakima Museum. That'll be later today, but here at Les Schwab. So let's get this vlog started. This is a brand new Les Schwab that opened up, I think, like last summer or last fall, closer to my house. It's nice not to go on the other side of Yakima to go to Les Schwab. So let's head on in. Hopefully I'm not here for too long, but we shall see. Some tires. Weather. Always love the smell of tires. They have the vending machine over by the bathrooms. Oh, they got here. It's kind of dark. Fancy thing. Got some Monsters, Pepsi. $2.25 for candy, $1.50 for chips. Bear Claws. Mountain Dew. Can never go wrong with Mountain Dew. Oh, Pepsi. No TV on in here. It's real quiet. Don't want to bother everybody, but it's interesting. Oh, coffee. That's cool. For the bonus about getting tires done. Popcorn. I think I'll get me some. I have the viewing window. It's kind of cool. Still waiting for my car to be checked on. Popcorn was good, but slightly salty, so I think I need something to drink. Probably get a Pepsi.
Please select a product.
I think it lights up after you make a payment. What is it with Pepsi? What is it, 401? 401. Oh, you got hit. Check out. Fancy. Oops. You just dropped my Pepsi. I'm used to like the arms length. Shaken, not stirred. Holy pull. Grab a snack. Oh, you pushed down. Fancy. Interesting. That's an interesting vending machine. I've never seen one like that. You have to push down. All right, got my Pepsi. Pepsi. All right, finally done and out of here. It's kind of busy. Came in here about 9 o'clock, about 10:46 in the morning, but tires and brakes are all good, but just need a new battery, so simple fix. So I got that done, and now I'm just gonna hang out at home until I pick up my girls from school. Then we'll go to the Yakima Museum. The other thing, every time I get my car service or anything, the seat is always way too short. Or now everyone tells me I gotta fix it. Have some headroom now. Oh, way better. It was way too close to this up front. All right. So, yep. Next, I'll be at the museum. I'll see you there. We're at the Yakima Valley Museum. First time here. Yeah. Yakima apples.
No, I said Beatles.
The beetle.
The Beatles.
Ready to go in, Grace?
They were big before I was
Yeah. Here we go. Oh, this is cool. Roosevelt. Look at that. President Roosevelt visit Yakima. There's President Roosevelt. Little buggy. That's cool. 1903.
Look at this. This is how
Yeah,
we used to travel.
that's cool.
These-
Let's see. Alfredo Alingum. Oh, the artist. Cool. It's over here. Yakima Sheep Company. And a bunch of trees. Okay. Oh, what's this? A Gatling gun. This is cool. This one of the most Civil War era. This is at the Gatling Gun Company on Main Street, Connecticut. Machine gun posted in Yakima downtown in the 1930s. That's cool. I'm coming. What's this neon sign? Oh, that's pretty cool. In flight, Bill Fletcher, stainless neon on here. So circle square. On the steel cabinet. Yeah. Oh, that's very colorful. That's pretty cool. A little stagecoach.
Yeah. Right by the railroad tracks.
Oh, wow. And it doesn't look like that anymore.
No.
Dad, I
That's
put it
cool.
in my calendar packet.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Dad, I have
I wonder where, like, where the courthouse or the Capitol Theater would have been.
Well, that didn't come until later.
Yeah. That's cool.
Dad, can you come over here? Dad, I have a question.
You have a question?
Find 7
Where you-
party hats.
Uh-huh.
So, can you come over here?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
82.
Brandy. Where I went to
This
school.
is like old school TV.
Hey, you know what that is?
Hey, do you know what this
Here you
is,
go.
Evelyn? Come here. Come here.
You know what that is?
Little old Mickey Mouse hat. Can't tell what
How
that
do you
says.
make it work?
The glare.
I don't know.
Looks like Mickey Mouse club ticket. That's cool.
You do this. You
Look
pick
at
it
that.
up and you put.
The
you
old
put it
Davis
here.
from the high school
And then
here.
you have change
Pirate cheerleading.
and you put change in.
Old cash
and then
register.
Rotary. Okay. The dial, see where the numbers are?
No telephone.
You don't get it, do you?
Do you understand how those old phones work, Evelyn?
No.
No.
Me and Grace's scavenger hunt thing is very different. Like,
Some other
We don't
miscellaneous
have as many
Pioneers Museum.
this is it. This is it.
Huh? I feel like we got the place to ourselves in here.
Wait, Dad. I don't know.
No one else is in here.
But you see that?
No
My
groups.
bag with-
Quiet afternoon in
Oh,
here.
wait. This is
I
What's
can't
this?
read that.
seed.
What?
It says a cedar
Yeah, yeah.
basket, and that's
Yakima
not
cedar
it.
basket. 1951. Are you sure? No, that's a berry basket. You're looking for the sin back.
That's a mortar and pestle. Grinding
cool.
herbs.
There's
Oak
a cedar
mortar.
bark basket. Would a cedar bark basket
Oh,
count?
oh, you have to go what that list told you. I want to go back to scavenger hunt.
But I'm just
You are so
Bears,
I'm
apples,
crossing it off.
okay.
tripod.
You saw a basket close enough,
Yeah,
right?
Because it says cedar,
Yeah.
but it just says bark.
What's this? You see, on that, they use that to build a building in Seattle. A land marker to make sure everything's level. Interesting.
Oh, look at the covered wagon. Could you imagine?
Spring wagon,
We go
fanning
camping.
mill,
How
yeah,
they travel.
a horse, but no horse,
Covered wagon.
and an old school covered wagon. They did not jump in there. Look at an old covered wagon. Imagine trying to travel cross country in that thing. Oh. No. Bees of the valley.
Have to be labeled
We have to go
for their
through,
apples.
we have to go around and go there.
Let's see. What is honey made of? Is it nectar?
Guys, you're not the only one that here.
Oh, they answered. Oh, didn't make many. Let's take the quiz. See how well I know.
Oh, this is all bee stuff. This is a beehive.
I don't think they eat it.
Honey.
Oh, yeah, you do. Fail. I don't know my bees.
That's when they wear special costumes with the bees.
Well, the Yakima cycle shop.
Oh.
Isn't that cool? I remember
Oh.
that when it was down on Yakima.
Beekeeper. Was it down on Yakima Avenue?
All of these signs.
Oh, beekeeper.
They collected them up, the neon signs.
Oh, they hold the neon signs over.
Oh, this is
That's a-
honeycomb.
The other side of the wagon. Commercial office equipment. Yeah. Yakima Cycle Shop. That's cool.
This is so cool, Dad.
Is this so cool? Look all the neon on the side. How are you doing on your scavenger hunt?
I only found one.
Okay.
The seed door
Okay.
basket. That's
Don't worry.
all I found.
This place is huge, so
If
where's...
I think if we find over there, we'll get like a special prize or something.
Does it say that?
I no.
No.
But I think we will.
Let's see, what's this? It's a hop plant. Are they-
Oh yeah, we went to a hop festival.
Oh, yeah. That's cool. More bee stuff.
Oh, that's Spanish and this is Chinese. That's so cool.
And that. Creating apples. Yeah, apples very big out here. Oh, look at this old John Deere tractor.
They have a new one.
Yeah, way better ones than this one. Look how hard that
They're more
seat.
safer. They're more
Yeah.
safer.
Safer, yeah.
Safer.
This all looks very familiar. This is with the labels on them.
Taxi and feet sign.
See how these are all wrapped?
Union Gospel. Oh, yep.
My mom used to, she could make a wage packing apples. Not a lot of people could.
Bunch of apple signs. Yakima. Very cool. Oh, William O. Douglas. That's the name after the courthouse. I remember doing jury duty a while ago.
He named the wilderness area. His name's on the wilderness area. Up a Chinook
I
Pass.
have a brand new camera on my scavenger hat.
Most of
Camera?
all the forest is William O. Douglas.
William O. Douglas, what his probably office was then.
And this is really cool.
Yeah. Yeah, they told me a pretty cool story when I was at jury duty about him. Yeah,
Justice
because
Douglas?
I think it was something to do with the Vietnam War. It was he had a vote he had to do, but he was on vacation somewhere like in Mount Rainier. He had a log cabin, so it's not like they could just call him up. So they had to find and hunt him down to, hey, we got a vote like now. So they had to drag him all the way all the way back just to vote, so they can like pretty much go to war or not invade
Oh, wow.
Vietnam. It's like, oh, that's interesting. Yeah, back
Yeah, he was very predominant in this era. And
yeah, because he was on the what they call it, the Supreme Court too. Yeah,
and Justice Davis, A.C. Davis, the high school.
Oh, yeah.
She was on the Supreme Court justice. Or he.
Oh, I didn't know that. So that what that meant, the A.C. Davis.
A.C. Davis High School, named after A.C. Davis.
Ah. Super. You're with Yo-Yo? Good. Yeah.
We're soaking in.
So, the Justice Wallet. Douglas gavel. That's cool. History. And here. It's probably his bag. His briefcase. Oh, he even ran for president. Did not know that. Some, I don't know. Did he write some books? Well, I guess so. I can see. I don't know if you guys can see that. A lot of small print. If you want to read it, maybe pause it. Can't tell on this tiny screen. See the William L. Gannon Carriage and Wagon Collection. Big old, oh, look at all these. Oh, I see all the wagons. That's cool. All these years I lived in Yakima, I had no idea that this museum was so big. See the buckboard Phaeton, California 1900. The Panel Boot Victoria, California. Assuming that's California or means something else in 1900. This one looks fancy. Canopy tops, sir. 1895. What build? Yeah.
It's still in Yakima.
Oh, is it still? Where's that at?
Walnut and First.
Oh, Walnut and First.
Yeah.
It's still around. Walnut. Wow. Oh, the old motor car. A 1916 Dodge touring car. Oh, the miners. That's still. Well, that's
Still
probably.
kicking.
I wonder if that's like the original cups. It hasn't changed too much. A little bit here and there.
Yeah. I wouldn't say those are original
Yeah.
cups.
Miners, In and Out, burgers. This looks like the original, but that's cool. And more. Oh, sleds. See what's in here.
Sewing machine
Oh,
or lace
Yeah.
machine,
is it Playton press? Or
or is it a press?
drip caster. Bunch of awards.
I don't know what they mean.
Yeah, I'm not sure either. See Ted Robbins, publisher, Yakima Republic.
No, this
Herald.
is yeah,
Oh, newspaper.
newspaper press.
Yeah.
This is from the Yakima Herald.
Yeah. Yakima Morning Herald.
Yeah, back when it was called that. It was the Yakima Herald Republic. Or the Yakima Herald, then it was the Herald Republic, and then it was, I don't know what it is now.
I think it's just the Yakima Herald. I think.
Antiquated.
Oh, okay. I don't know. Everyone gets Look at the old typewriter. Don't make them like that anymore. Or they don't make any typewriters, really. Looks like the Colonel's cufflinks. Looks like maybe an old radio.
AIMA.
Parts and supply accessories. Oh, look how this old book. Different parts. Keyboard. That's cool. Santa sleigh. No, cutter, just a random sleigh. Oh, we got some sleighs in here. Oh, little red rag. Bicycle repair shop. Sorry about my shoes if you're hearing the clicking. These brand new shoes, I don't know why they're doing that. Definitely when it's quiet. Like I said, that wheel is huge. Yeah. I wonder if this is like a firehouse wagon. Probably being red. No, I don't see a sign yet. Like an old time radio station, KIMA. KIMA. This is cool. CBS. Here's the sign. This probably is a firehouse. Yeah, hose cart, heart service hose cart, 1902 to 1912. Yeah, the steam fire engine. They sure have come a long way from then and now. It's got to be Santa's sleigh, right? Oh.
Now we've got
I
just
know.
a little bit more.
Now
Cool.
can you go down?
Look at a giant shoe. And there's a lion.
Environmental questions. Then we go down the drain really very fast because then we'd be victims of the administrative agencies. And these administrative agencies go very high-minded.
So what's on here? Bison horn. In the era of the Buffalo Bill Wild West shows. Cool. Artifact. See, identification. Labels are coming. It's a lot of investigation at work to find out everything about this. Say, open gently and please stop at the red line. Oh. Oh. Old time like wedding toppers. Oh, like pipes. Old time. There's a lot of cool artifacts in here. Explore our drawers more. Yeah, cards are coming. I won't do them all, but let's listen to this top one. Nice seashells. What's this wagon? Identification cards coming. So still work in progress. Yeah, crazy. Been in Yakima over 10 years. Never been here. Always see this building, but it's way bigger than I thought. I'm glad we stopped by today. Our class, I guess, a classic Yakima neon sign. Union Gospel Mission. Jesus say, that's cool. Welcome to Yakima sign about that. Ooh. It's cool. Yakima cycle. Yeah, we came in that way. So what's in here? The Yakima Valley has played a role in each major national military conflict since the creation of the Fort Simcoe 1850s. Some of the uniforms over the years. Some of the medals. Yeah, a lot of history in Yakima. I had no idea. Frank Caracha's trumpet from the 1939. Yakima Valley families arrived in North Portland. Japanese. Japanese baseball. Frank Fukuda, coach. Like an old gambling wheel or some sort. It's called an old pinball machine, sky jump. Old slots. Got an old pinball machine. Too bad this thing's not working. That's cool. They don't make them like those anymore. That's cool. Classic old TV. Yeah. I'm assuming it might be a radio. Correct me if I'm wrong. Oh, a xylophone. Old school. Like organ. Would be, you know, there you go, doctor or dentist chair. Medicines. Like an old drugstore. Let's see what's in this room. Dead end. I feel like China stuff. Well, China look like fish. I guess maybe how people lived back when. See, the Victorian dining room in about early 1900s, 1860s, and what it might kind of look like back then. Oh, 1860s, 1900s, this room, roughly. Then over here, probably 1950s and 1960s, catching this room. The Yakimas at home in the Yakima Valley. The ancestors of the Yakima Indians that made their homes in the Yakima Valley. It's kind of diagram or diorama that might have been. It's cool. The Yakima Nation outside Toppenish about the 1910s era. And this was about 1850. This is about 1700s. 1000 BCE. Yakima had a polo club. Did not know that. Polo was introduced in Yakima in the early 1920s. 1933. I don't know if it's still today. Maybe, I would assume probably somewhere. There's history here. And we're going to the special exhibitions, quinceañeras. Yeah. Oh, you're over here? What's that?
They're building mountains.
Are you building mountains?
This is why Doug and I, this is why your wife is here for
Oh.
you to marry.
Mount St. Helens. That's cool.
It rocked our world.
Yeah. That's cool. They have a little, where the mountain blue, kind of a diagram of that side. That's cool.
Spirit Lake.
Oh, no, it's mountains.
You're making, oh, that's
Don't
cool.
do that, please. Just use your hands like scoop it.
Oh, I see the water. You can try and build to the land.
They
Huh?
want to make it an island.
Our biggest island.
And the big,
Italian cereal. Don't
the
giant lava.
big woolly mammoth tusk and skull. Yeah, they found this in Yakima. He's got a little party hat. Look at this. I have to back up a lot just to get everything in shot. And I think it's huge. That's cool. A bunch of old cameras. That's cool. Tiny that one. What's this big one? Let's go. Okay, I'll be right there. Bunch of camera. Oh, look, let's check out this big one. Empire State Camera, Rochester, 1902 to 1909. Cool. You have to cover everything. A detail take a long time. This is way bigger than I thought, but this place is really cool. You can have a turtle. A turtle? That's cool. It's really lively. It's moving a lot. You want to play over here? Yeah. What? The kid activity center.
This is like a slide. Books. I want to see
Oh, yeah.
extra books.
Yeah, lots of books.
Can you watch myself on that table?
Yeah.
I want to see what's in here too.
Look at this. This is cool. Little play area, a little town for kids. Go into the towns.
Play food, Dad. You can go after go in the house and play with the play food.
Say, I'm a giant entering this town.
And you can wait, Dad. This is the cell phone thing.
Oh, a little telephone. See,
This is the shoppers. What's
see, I will never make it in this town.
I'm going
I'm way too tall.
No, Gracie, you have to
Way too tall. Whoop, watch out, giant coming through. Ooh. At least I got headroom once I'm in here. Unplug. This, you talk to this person. This person can't talk, but now they talk to this person. Perfect. That's it.
like Harry Potter.
Tell me how comfortable it is. Harry Potter. You're a wizard, Harry.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Watch your head.
You're kind of tall.
Hey, comfortable.
It's comfortable?
Is it?
Kinda.
Girls, peek your head up.
Down,
I'm over
coming down,
here.
like you're riding.
I'm getting out. On my back.
Winchester's big game rifle. Well, fun fact, I'm actually related to the Winchester, the guy with the gun. Well, fun fact.
Dad, can we pretend like cross this off and cross all of the party hats off?
Yeah, we saw one. If you saw one, you saw them all, right?
So I'm gonna cross
Let's
the
see.
scooter off too.
Okay,
Can I?
why not?
I'm done. My dad said I could just cross off this
This rifle,
and the other.
carbine.
So I'm done.
So you're done?
Yeah.
Look, this is what's this? This one, the Clark Everson Hunter rifle, Pennsylvania, 1830. Barrel's long, so I have a pretty long wingspan. Yeah, it's not even half the barrel. I don't know on camera you can tell, but that's a long barrel. Northwest gun, 1876. That's pretty long,
Had to travel this,
but not as long as the Everson Hunter's rifle.
the steamer trunks.
A blunderbuss, 1816. Oops, sorry about my shadow. Lighting in here is not good. I am in super night mode, so hopefully it helps. That's cool. Museum, store. See what's in here.
We're not buying anything this trip.
Go find our own crystals.
Welcome, classic shirt. Welcome to Yakima, Palm Springs of Washington. That one black. Pretty cool. The front desk, they're working on a couple of new exhibits. One of them is a World War II exhibit that's coming soon. And they also said someone donated like the jaws of a Mosasaurus. Grace was pretty excited, but they don't know when that will come out. So a couple of new things, so I'll keep an eye out here. Normally this is what place I wanted to come, but today they're closed. The museum soda fountain is gonna get a milkshake or ice cream.
Giant pencil.
You got what?
Giant pencil.
Oh yeah, I want to come here. We gotta come here when they're open. I thought they would have been open since the museum. All right, girls, had museum.
Good.
It was pretty cool, huh?
And the sand.
You like playing with the sand?
Yes.
What was your favorite thing, Evelyn?
The sand probably.
The sand?
The sand is my favorite one.
Nice. So yeah, when those new exhibit opens up, definitely check it out again. But yeah, yeah, the Mosasaurus fossil to be coming soon. So yeah, it was really cool. So let's go get something to drink or some ice cream. Grace got a blizzard. I got an ice cream cone on a cup. Or not a cup, cone with a spoon. And I got a cherry dip ice cream cone. Very good. All right. All right, well, thanks for hanging out with me today. If you're new here, I hope I earned your subscription. Thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.